Sesame Street Nature Explorers! To start, press the play button. Hi there! Elmo and Gabrielle were just about to go exploring in the park to see what nature friends we can find.
There are lots of different animals that live in the park, and if you look closely, you can find them using the clues they leave behind.
Ooh, I love looking for clues.
This sounds like a job for Nature Explorers ready to explore. Come on, let's go.
I don't see any animals.
Remember, sometimes you have to look closely to find clues the animals have left behind.
Come on, let's explore and see what we can find. Click on the binoculars to look for animal clues.
Let's see what we can find in this bush.
Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look. Hey, that looks like a clue. Oh, look, it's a dirt mound. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that likes to dig in the dirt. Elmo thinks we should add this clue to our notebook. Draw on the page to add the clue to our notebook.
Did you know some animals build nests in trees while others live underground or even in the water?
I wonder what kind of animal likes to dig in the dirt.
Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look. Oh, we already found that clue. Another clue. Oh, look. It's something that's been eaten. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that eats shrubs. Elmo thinks we should add this clue to our notebook. Let's add a nature rubbing to our notebook. You did it! You added something that's been eaten.
I wonder what kind of animal eats shrubs.
Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look.
A clue! Let's look through the magnifying glass to get an even closer look. It looks like a bit of shell left behind. That tells us it's an animal that sheds its scutes. Let's add this clue to our notebook. Trace the line to draw the clue in our notebook.
Did you know some animals molt? That means shedding their feathers, hair, skin, or even exoskeleton so they can grow bigger.
You did it. You added a bit of shell left behind.
Elmo wonders what kind of animal sheds its scutes. Elmo thinks it's time to put these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, Nature Explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found a dirt mound.
Then we found something that's been eaten.
And we also found a bit of shell left behind.
What animal likes to dig in the dirt, eats shrubs, and sheds its scutes?
Great horned squirrel, gopher, turtle. Great horned
I don't think that's the animal we're looking for. Try again.
squirrel.
Remember, we're looking for the animal that likes to dig in the dirt, eats shrubs, and sheds its scute.
Gopher,
Try the turtle.
turtle, turtle.
Way to go!
Nice work, Nature Explorers. Did you know a turtle cannot come out of its shell because the shell is attached to its backbone?
Let's look around some more. Let's see what we can find at the pond's edge.
Hey, that looks like a clue. Oh, look, it's a feather. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that has feathers.
Did you know some animals molt? That means shedding their feathers, hair, skin, or even exoskeleton so they can grow bigger.
You did it! You added a feather.
I wonder what kind of animal has feathers. A clue!
Oh, look, it's some footprints. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that leaves these kinds of footprints.
Did you know every type of animal has their own unique footprint?
You did it! You added some footprints.
I wonder what kind of animal leaves these kinds of footprints. Keep looking for clues.
Another clue.
Let's look through the magnifying glass to get an even closer look. It looks like something that's been eaten. That tells us it's an animal that eats berries.
You did it! You added something that's been eaten.
I wonder what kind of animal eats berries.
Sesame Street
Nature Explorers.
To start, press the play button.